What's up, YouTube? So today I'm going to be replacing my cabin air filter for a 2014 Chevy Impala, and I think this goes all the way up to 2017, I believe. I'm not for sure, but I know I'm doing this for 2014. So I'm going to take you step by step how to do it. And I'm going to be replacing it with this right here. It's IMPALA, and this is how it looks. So I'll tell you where I got it from after at the end. So that's what we gotta do. So it's in the glove compartment, if you didn't know. So what you gotta do is you gotta come here. You're gonna take this off right here. Just pull it out. Pull this out right here. And once you pull this out right here, the glove box should tilt down. So hold on. Alright. So we're gonna pull this out. Like that there. See, I pulled it out. And after I pull it out, we're going to press in on this side. We're going to press this side. And we're going to press in on this side. And it should come out. Just like that. So what I did was I pressed in on both sides. And it came out. So this is what you're looking at right here. So you got that screw, that one, and you got 4 screws on top here. So you have a total of 7 screws to get off, okay? So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take these screws off, and I'm gonna come back and show you the next step. So hold on. And I'm using just a regular, Phillips head screwdriver, and that's all you gotta do is unscrew these. So again, you have a total of 7. Take them all off, and again, it's a Phillips head, and I'll come back and show you the next step. Okay, once I get all the screws out, see, you have a total of 7 screws. I got 4 screws there, and I got 3 screws here. They're all the same size. So once the screws come out, this comes out. All you gotta do is just pull it out. Just take it from wherever angle you want to. Just pull it out. Pull it out. It's real simple. Alright. Now back here is where we're trying to go. This is the cover right here. Underneath that cover is the filter. So on this side, so what you want to do on this side here, okay, so what you want to do is reach your hand back here, your fingers. There's a tab back here. Just pull out that tab to the left, pull out and pull. See, like this, right? Pull out and pull, and this comes off right here. This comes off, and there's your filter right there. It's your filter. So what you want to do is try to get up in there and pull it out. Okay, so you may have to get maybe a flathead screwdriver and stick it in and pry it out, or just start prying it with your hands. So what I did was I put my hands this way, my fingers were this way, and this way here, and I start wiggling out, and it comes out like so. So filter. But you want to pay attention to this arrow right here. This arrow right here. This arrow right here. All right. So YouTube, yes, I'm sorry about that. So you want to be sure this airflow arrow is pointing down. Be sure that's pointing down. You got it pointing down, you're on the right track. So just pull this out. It's just that simple. Pull it out and replace it with the new one. Just like that. And replace it, you're going to do it in reverse order. Put the new one in, put everything back on. You should be good. Okay, so I have my new one here. Okay, it's my new one. See the airflow arrow pointing down. So, just put the new one in, like so. Just gotta play with it a little bit. Alright, hold on, YouTube. Hold on. Alright. Once you get it in, just slide it in. Slide it in like so. Like that. Once again, the airflow arrow is pointing down. Get your cover. You're just doing everything in reverse order. So put the cover back on. You know, it's hard to film a video with just one hand while you're trying to do things. So just bear with me, YouTube, okay? So you get the idea. Put everything back on in reverse order. Put this cover back on, and I'll show you my next step. Alright, got the cover on. Again, you put everything in reverse order. You start from either end. They're both the same. You snap one end on, and you snap this end on. The next thing you do is you're going to put the frame back on, like so. Like just like that. And you put all the screws back in. 7 screws. And we come back with the finished product. Okay, everything is intact. Everything is installed. This is back in its place. The glove compartment is there. Everything's working fine. And that's it, YouTube. That's it. That's all you have to do. If you take this car to a mechanic and try to get them to do it, especially the dealership mechanic where you got your car from, they're gonna charge you about $500 to $600 to do this thing. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. I'm gonna leave the description in the box in below of where I got my air filter from. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And thank you all for watching.